Hi everyone, it's Christian from One Happy Bite, and today I'm making a fun fusion dish, cheesy Gochujang Italian Arancini with Kikkoman Panko Bread Crumbs. Arancini are these Italian cheesy risotto balls that are coated in breadcrumbs and deep fried until golden brown. This recipe blends Korean chili paste with classic Italian risotto. It's crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside.
Oh my god, it's so good.
If you love fusion food, you'll love this one. So let's start cooking. Start by chopping 1 small onion and 3 clove garlic. Then in a small pot, warm your chicken broth over medium heat. Warming the broth helps your risotto cook evenly and stay creamy. I'm using chicken broth here, but you can use any broth of your choice. To make the risotto, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan and saute garlic and onion until fragrant. Add 3 tablespoons of gochujang or Korean chili paste and cook for a minute. Add more gochujang if you like spicy. You can find gochujang in any Asian grocery stores or online. Then add the rice and coat it well, letting the grains turn slightly translucent. I'm using arborio rice here, which is the most common rice to make risotto. Add the white wine to deglaze and continue cooking until the liquid evaporates. Next, add 1 cup of warm broth, soy sauce, gochugaru, salt, and black pepper. Once the broth is absorbed, add another cup and continue this process until the rice becomes creamy and tender. This should take about 20 minutes. Right before it's done, you can taste and see if it needs more seasoning. Finish off with 2 tablespoons of butter and let it melt into the risotto. Spread the risotto evenly onto a parchment-lined baking sheet to cool completely. Chilling helps the rice firm up for shaping later. To speed up the process, you can chill the rice in the refrigerator for about an hour. Once the rice is chilled, take a scoop of the risotto, flatten it with your palms, then place the mozzarella cube in the center. Add another scoop of risotto on top and press it tightly. Make sure there are no cracks so the cheese doesn't leak. For the best cheese pool, I always use whole milk, low moisture mozzarella cheese. Continue this process until you used up all the rice and cheese cubes. You should get about 12 pieces. Now here's the fun part. Start setting up your breading station. Prepare 3 plates or bowls and fill the first one with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, the second one with 3 large eggs, and the third one with panko bread crumbs. This video is sponsored by Kikkoman, and I'm using Kikkoman Panko Bread Crumbs to give these arancini the perfect crispy texture. Unlike regular breadcrumbs, Kikkoman Panko is larger, lighter, and crispier, and keeps the arancini crunchy for longer. You'll want to roll each rice bowl into the flour to coat, shaking off the excess, then dip it into the beaten eggs. Finally, cover the bowl generously in panko breadcrumbs until evenly coated. Press the breadcrumbs firmly so you get that crispy crust. It is best to roll and bread all the rice balls before frying since the frying is gonna be quick. In a pot, add 2 inches of neutral oil over medium heat. Heat the oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Add the arancini in batches without crowding the pot and fry for a few minutes until golden brown and crispy. It should take about 3 to 5 minutes total per batch, and make sure to keep turning them to get all sides golden brown. Once it's done, transfer them to a plate lined paper towels. You can serve these as appetizers, snacks, or side dishes, and they're great for any family gatherings or holiday parties. These arancini are best served as soon as possible so you can open them up and see the cheesy, gooey, melted cheese inside. Oh my god. Woo. Now that's a cheese pull. You can eat it by itself, or I actually made this spicy mayo. I'm just gonna dip it in. Oh my god. It is so crunchy on the outside and just cheesy and gooey on the inside. The rice is so moist and tender, and it has that spicy kick with the gochujang paste. 10 out of 10. You gotta try it out. Oh my god. Alright, that's it for this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.